Imagine this. Two people wake up. One at 5 a.m., the other at 9 a.m. Fast forward 10 years. One is wealthy, disciplined, and in control of their life. The other, stressed, overwhelmed, and always playing catch-up. Which one do you think you'll become? Here's a harsh truth. Most people will never escape mediocrity because they're stuck in the habits of the average. And one of the most powerful habits that separate the world's most successful people from the rest, they wake up at 5 a.m. In this video, I'll show you why waking up early can completely change your life, how it builds financial success, and how you can start without feeling miserable. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal a secret technique that makes waking up early effortless. Let me ask you a simple question. Would you rather have Rs 1 crore today or 10 extra years to live? Most people would pick time. Why? Because time is the most valuable asset you have. Yet so many people waste the first 3-4 hours of their day sleeping while the ultra-successful are already making moves. Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook, and Mukesh Ambani, all early risers. They understand that whoever controls their morning controls their life. When you wake up at 5 a.m., you get uninterrupted hours to work on your goals, your finances, your mindset, before the world starts demanding your attention. It's like getting an unfair advantage over 99% of people. But here's the thing, just waking up early isn't enough. What you do with that time is what really matters. Have you ever woken up late and immediately felt rushed? You check your phone, realize you're already behind, and the whole day feels chaotic. Successful people do the opposite. Their first 60 minutes are sacred. No distractions, no nonsense, just focused self-improvement. This is their secret weapon. Here's what top performers do at 5 a.m. They exercise, because a strong body leads to a strong mind. They learn reading, listening to podcasts, or writing down ideas. They plan setting clear goals before the world throws distractions their way. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." And the early morning is the best time to do that. But let's address the elephant in the room. What if you're not a morning person? Here's a shocking truth. Nobody is naturally a morning person. It's not about genetics, it's about habits. If you can binge watch Netflix till 3 a.m., you can also train yourself to wake up early. The only difference, your priorities. And here's the real reason people struggle. They try to wake up early but don't fix their night routine. If you go to bed scrolling Instagram, your brain won't let you wake up energized. The secret? Sleep discipline. Set a fixed bedtime, avoid screens before sleep, and prepare your morning the night before. Treat your morning routine like an appointment with success. And once you start waking up early, here's the unexpected financial benefit most people overlook. Let's talk money. Do you know why most people never achieve financial freedom? They're always too busy to build wealth. But think about this. If you wake up at 5 a.m. and dedicate just 1 hour every day to learning about investments, side hustles, or business, you'll have spent over 365 hours a year sharpening your financial intelligence. That's like doing a full-time finance degree, for free. Early risers don't just have more time, they have more control over their time. And when you control your time, you control your income. And now, for the most powerful trick to make waking up early effortless. Here's the ultimate trick to waking up early. The 90-second rule. The moment your alarm rings, count down from 90 and make a move before you hit 0. No snoozing, no second guessing, just get out of bed. Your brain will try to negotiate, but if you act within 90 seconds, you beat your excuses. This one habit can change your entire life. So now, you have two choices. Hit snooze and stay in the same cycle. Or wake up early and take control of your future. The choice is yours. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe. And check out this next video, where I reveal how to build your first Rs 1 crore in your 20s. See you there.